Hello there, lager lovers, and today we are going to be making Kool-Aid Honey Drip Cherry flavor. And I'm going to tell you the ingredients as we go along, so please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll get along with it. Let's go. Alright guys, here are the main ingredients. First, we start off with 72 ounce of warm to hot water to dissipate the sugar. And the next, you start off with 2 to 3 cups of sugar and 2 to 3 powders of Kool-Aid cherry or other flavors that you want. It doesn't have to be cherry, it's to your preference, but you do need 2 to 3 cups so that way you'll have a good consistency of shaved ice on your warm to hot water when you freeze it. Okay guys, so once you have your hot water, we're just gonna pour the 3 cups of sugar in the water. We're gonna mix it. Make sure all the sugar is dissolved. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna freeze this, and if we freeze it with no sugar, it's just gonna be like ice. It's gonna be hard to crack. It's not gonna have that Hawaiian ice, that shaved ice consistency. That's 2 cups of sugar. Give it a little stir. Make sure to dissolve all those sugar crystals. Last cup of sugar going in. So it's gonna look a little bit cloudy, but that's because of the sugar that's in there. But that's what we want, so that we have that shaved ice consistency when you start cracking to the honey drip. So you see it starts getting clear now. Like I said, it doesn't have to be 3 cups of sugar. It can be 2 cups. It's a matter of your sweet tooth, how sweet you want the honey drip to be, and how fast you want to get diabetes. Now that you have it stirred, add 2 to 3 packets of powder Kool-Aid, whichever flavor you want. It doesn't have to be cherry. We're doing cherry right now because that's what my brother wants. So I just put 2 in there because if I put 3 powder packets in there, it'll taste too much like cherry. Make sure you stir that good so that the sugar will be dissolved into the water. Once we're done stirring it, you can start putting them in individual cups. Any size you like, any size cups will work. Alright, now we start putting them in individual cups. It's still a little bit warm, but that's okay. That's what we want, is warmness. Alright, now we have the cup set up. For a little added extra bonus here, we can put some fruits in some of these cups, like strawberries, blueberries, melons, and peaches. Here we go. Some of them you can just leave empty for those people that want their honey drip without fruit. They just want that frosty flavor. Alright, now that we've put some fruits in some of the cups, we are gonna wrap it in saran wrap because we don't want some condensation going in there from the freezer. We have here 3,000 feet of food service film, saran wrap, okay? Clear plastic wrap. And we're just gonna start wrapping them individually. These are still warm, by the way, so be careful not to burn yourself when touching it. Just make sure you see it. So for 72 ounces of water and 2 cherry Kool-Aid powder, we made about 10 cups, which is a good thing. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer, all right? So guys, I went ahead and put them in the freezer. You can see right there. I suggest putting them right next to the ice box, so that way they will freeze faster. I'll wait about 4 hours till they become frozen and have that Hawaiian shaved ice consistency. And we'll be back then. Alright, we'll see you guys through the magic of video editing.
5 hours later.
Okay guys, it's been 5 hours now. We will taste one of the honey drip. Let's go. Alright guys, let's go ahead and unwrap the sweet goodness of cherry honey drip. I haven't made cherry before. We'll see what it tastes like. I kind of don't like the cherry flavor. Ooh, look at that. You see that frosty shaved ice goodness that I'm talking about? That's what I'm talking about right there. Focus. Focus. There you go. Look at that. See what it tastes like. I don't like cherry, but it's good. It's really good. It's not quite frozen yet, so I'm gonna put it back in the freezer. And for an added bonus, guys, if you really want to make your day complete with that summer treat with a honey drip, get some lechon, some Chinese pork to make your heart make a heart attack. Alright guys, this is Lager7. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.